Okay, so one of my campers told me instead of marshmallows, they roast glazed donut holes. So I bought some glazed donut holes. I also made me a fruity tropical rum drink to go with them. It's orange juice and pineapple juice and lime juice and grenadine and spiced rum. So let's try roasting a glazed donut hole. Sugar's already getting a little runny. He said I'll never go back to marshmallows after trying this. I said I'll probably combine them with marshmallows somehow. We'll see how it goes. Getting a little char on it. Sugar's bubbling. It's doing something to it. And then I'm out of focus because I'm watching the donut and not the phone. Alrighty. Looks like it could use a little more char. He didn't say anything like golden brown or anything, because how do you tell, huh? Okay. Oh. Call that good. It won't focus. It's just a blob. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to call that good. It's hot. Stove hot. Oh, there's a good focus. Alright. Well, it's stuck to the roaster. Kind of like a corn dog or something. Fry bread. Makes the dough kind of gummy. This is carnival food right here. There's your next idea, carnival people. Campfire roast some glazed donut holes. I won't say I'll never do marshmallows again, but I'll do the rest of this box of donut holes. I'll give them that much. That's pretty tasty. So, there you go. Found another little slice of happiness in my peaceful night by the fire. That's a good tip. Thanks, guy. Bronx Stomper out.